How crypto tokens really work from creation to launch. Your journey starts now. What if you could create your own cryptocurrency token? Not in months, not in weeks, but today. No gatekeepers, no guesswork. Just a step by step blueprint to turn your idea into reality. Whether it's a utility token, a governance coin, or the next big DeFi project, I'm breaking it all down. Code, launch, and growth. Let's begin. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, what's the vision behind your token? Payments, rewards, something revolutionary? And if you're serious about building your own crypto, hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps this channel deliver even more in-depth guides. Now, let's get to work. What is a crypto token? Beyond the hype. A crypto token isn't just digital cash. It's a programmable asset with rules you control. Built on smart contracts, tokens can represent anything: loyalty points, voting rights, even real-world assets. The ERC20 standard makes it seamless, and the blockchain ensures trust without intermediaries. So, what problem will your token solve? Drop your answer below. Asterisk, the 3 pillars of a token that lasts. Ignore these at your peril. Creating a token is easy. Creating one that thrives? That's where most fail. The most successful tokens master these 3 fundamentals. Utility. Does it serve a real purpose, or is it just hype? Scarcity. Is supply controlled to drive value? Demand. Will people actually want it? Most projects collapse by neglecting one. Which pillar do you think is most critical? Debate it in the comments. Step by step. How to code and launch your token. No fluff. Here's your roadmap to a live token. Setup. Use Remix IDE. Free, browser-based. Code. Write your smart contract in Solidity. Keylines covered. Deploy. Choose your blockchain. Ethereum, BSC, etc. Secure. Verify your contract and lock liquidity. Warning: most tutorials skip critical security steps. That's why I'm giving you a pre-audited contract template in the description. Launch with confidence. After launch, how to make your token matter. Launching is just the start. Here's how to ensure long-term success. Listings. Start with decentralized exchanges, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, then trackers like CoinGecko. Community. Build a following on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Momentum. Use pre-sales, staking, and viral marketing. Asterisk bonus. I've included a free 30-day launch checklist in the description. Every step mapped out. Asterisk. Final challenge. Will you build or just watch? The tools are here. The knowledge is ready. The only question is, will you take action? If this guide helped you, like and subscribe. It fuels more content like this. Share it with someone who needs to see it. Want direct help? I'm offering free consultations this week to the first 20 people who message me. Link below. What crypto topic should I cover next? Let me know in the comments. Now go build something great.